Carnival Fest ke Henrio ha umsning. Laisngi lenter, kendai shipo bat katway jari kurisau arhajar arbusan hamadan umsning town Dorbar. Labu ujing temu bakapisah ke bami onirap syaga school umsning town Dorbar Secondary School. Nalor ke bam gedi ke ba on penbang pensinyam. Kindon ke jing penbernya nak nongruai bapau ke jela. Ke hausi bumper, ke lucky draw bat kiwai-kiwai. Wan sepi, wan ma abahi, kata masa ste, tang bayarap ia ke school se. Nagbenta ke jing tip ki babanya, pun hagi number, Henry not, kendai, arnyau, lainnyau ar, lani, pranyau, non Henry sau, Henry nyau.
The road becomes unsafe because of vehicles like these. See the lights, how bright it is. It will totally blind the person coming from opposite side. There is no number plate. The whole vehicle is modified. Vehicles like this make the road unsafe.
Haka jinghiar surok jong ki bor pulit ka ribhoy hennen ka met ban talasi yagi kali ki bayat ki bayang ha silanter ka surok ha ki banta balong kongsan jong district kata ha nongpo homesting homroy bat ki ki jaka yagi ne jing talasi bala penlong dagi pulit ka ribhoy la penlong nadu ka por nyo baje jan met hadu ka por khanar baje siteng senya ha ka bala batlut yagi kali sarkar ki kali jong ki he ki han ki kali kamai ki kali jong ki rushmet bat ki Hak bagi kali jong ki MLA ru kila syak pan sengelang. Kini ki kali jong ki MLA ki kuntup, ki kali jong MLA ka songsak Dr. Mukul Sangma, ke kali jong Menteri Sarkar beri MLA ka jirang ubak sosteno sotun. Hak ini ke jing talasi jong ki pulit ribhoy, layo ban bat ya shibun ki bapen kenyang, bat ladanya ki de ke kuna, bat habalum jing keny katkum ke jing pentip ki bor pulit, ka kuna ke belayu ulum ke lapoi hadu peralak tengkah. La ruban kedau bagane ke jing talasi jong ki pulit ribhoy kedai ke bahe bat ke bala nek slam habai nu jor bat ki weipat ki jaka penlong talasi jong ki pulit ke jelah habakran hadin ke jing pendap ya ke jing talasi USP ke distrik ribhoy VS Rotor ulong ba ke jingdon jong ki trai kali bat ki nongnya kali ki bapen kenyang habanya kali kawan ra ya ke jing ma ha ka yat ke yang jong ki paiba bat omdei ke surok ke bapen ab jing ma ke jingte ya kilat ki bathaba ke penlong ya ki weipat ki kali ki bawan na kaliang persya ban ab jingma namar ke jing thaba palat ke light bat ke jingdon jong ki nongnya kali ki babuat ke penab jingma khamtam me ki nonglet nangwan ki basong dagi kali kamai USP ribhoy ulong ro bagane ke jing penlong ya ke jing talasi ke dehidin baki babun ki jingja ki basungsi ki ja na ke por hari bhoy na ke jingdon jong ki nongnya kali hapadang gedi ke bam ke balawan ra ya ke jingdu no jong ki man simpreu
तो लाठी तो दिखाओ ये चलान काटो उसका आ जाओ इधर आ जाओ अजय वो से तो हमने भी सर फटाई थी ये वहां बीच पे अलग पे One. हो गया हमका गली नहीं तो नहीं होगा तो हमरा तुम्हारा नहीं होगा ये तो कर रहे हो साहब मकड़ी ओ सर गाय मकड़ी भाई जरा मकड़ी होना चाहिए अभी इसी से फुकना है पुट दो पुट चुको है Tadi.
show the new straws also.
ये new straw.
New straw for every person. Some people are trying to push now.
निकाल के लो ना एक को जाम नहीं होना चाहिए रास्ता अभी आप मालूम है कितना फूल करना है लगातार और रुको मत बस 10 सेकंड पूरा मुख लगा के नहीं फू ऐसा नहीं फू फूक मारना पूरा फू नहीं ऐसा नहीं होगा यार मार दिया फू बस पूरा ये यूज को लपा इधर में जीरो टेकन जीरो haven't taken alcohol very lucky day good yeah lucky day good day lucky day go
उसका ये लगाओ खोलो उसका हेलमेट वो उसका ये लगाओ रेबल ये नीचे वाला हीरोगिरी करना है खाली गिरेगा तो मरेगा हाँ खोलो ये जिंदगी में कभी हेलमेट पहना नहीं लेके आया ये हाँ इसका चेक कर दो है
कमजोर मत बूम तो पुट It's draw 53 बताइए कभी कन्नो बटिन दे कदे बंदा 53 the principal limit only 30% but is already roughly
I'm not respect them, but I see that your activity very nice, proud of that. Thank you. Okay, that's not the problem.
आप लोग कहाँ जा रहे हैं No, see, as you rightly told, there have been a series of accidents in last few weeks, as well as the whole year we are seeing. I think as per estimate, I don't have confirmed data, but around 50 persons already they have lost their lives. So though it is a routine thing for us, it's a daily exercise which is being done by traffic unit as well as other field units like Bada Pani, then Umsning, Mangko, Bernihat also, Khanapara also, Patharkama, Rani, they all are doing. But today, myself along with my additional SP and other senior officers, we have come down on ground to stand together with the force so that their morale also goes high, and to give a strict message to everyone who is commuting on this highway that will be very strict, especially on helmet for two-wheelers, seat belts for four-wheelers, as well as driving under influence of alcohol. Because we have seen that most of the accidents which have happened in last few weeks, mostly it was because of the negligence on the part of driver. There are very few accidents which are actually accidents which just happened. Most of the accidents are either the driver is under the influence of alcohol, or he's sleepy, or he's driving at a very high speed. We have notified the speed limits. 80 km per hour is the maximum speed limit in Ribhoi district on NH6. But we have witnessed, especially the trucks, when the trucks are empty, they drive at a very high speed. Another problem we are seeing is that most of these HMVs are driving on the right lane, which is absolutely wrong. The right lane is the overtaking lane. It is for other vehicles to overtake. So what happens when the truck or dumper it starts moving on the right lane? The smaller vehicles, cars and all, they have to overtake from the wrong side. Many a times that also causes a lot of accidents. So it's a combined thing. Our endeavor is to minimize the accidents. Though we cannot man the whole highway 24/7, but whatever force we have, whatever resources we have, we are trying to maximize our traffic enforcement exercises. So, yes, yes, you have witnessed today evening. We are conducting this exercise since 7 p.m. today. It's already 3.5 hours. I think we have already issued challan worth approximately 5 lakhs, I guess. Some challans are yet to be issued. The photos have been taken. So most of the challans are for driving under influence only. Just now you saw one traveler full of tourists. The driver was unable to walk also. So most probably 5 kilometers down the line, he will either hit himself on the divider or roadside, or hit some other vehicle. Sir, like we have seen license, you are witnessing yourself. We are checking the driving license also, the insurance also, the pollution also, RC also. So many young boys and girls, especially that exuberance of youth, they tend to speed up, overspeed the vehicle. Especially with scooty and two-wheelers, there are always risks that they might skid or something. So we are trying to enforce. Night time we will not be spreading awareness, of course. The awareness exercises mostly go on during the daytime, where our traffic sub-inspectors and other officers, they counsel the drivers. But night time it will be penalty. We have already warned them many times. We have given them messages through social media also. You might have seen our Facebook page also. We have tried everything. Now we are like enough of awareness. Though we'll do the awareness also, but will be quite strict, because we don't want anyone to lose life because of a freak accident. So that's the whole objective. Highway, if you go by rules, parking is not allowed. There is no separate requirement of any rule from any authority. The NHAI rules, the National Highway rules itself says that parking is not allowed. For parking, there are laybys and other places. So the line belongs to us, the National Highway as well as the Law Enforcement Authority. If you are parking your vehicle on National Highway between the white lines, it is illegal, and we issue e-challans, and sometimes we impound the vehicles also. But again, as we see, we cannot man the whole highway. It's around 80 kilometers round the clock. Each point we cannot see. So it's my appeal to public also. If they see any illegally parked vehicle, record a video or take a photograph, send to us. We have flashed our WhatsApp numbers also. PCR is there, 112 is active, NERS. So they can send us the photos. So we will issue e-challan sitting here in Nongpo. That is not an issue. That can be done. So public, if they become slightly vigilant and proactive, I think these truck drivers who park on the roadside, they will stop doing that. I cannot say that National Highway is not safe. It's a beautiful road. It is the lifeline of economy in this part of the state and the neighboring states also. It's not that the roads are not safe. It's the drivers who make the road unsafe. It is a behavioral issue, because they have been doing that exercise for many years. So it takes time to change. Another problem we face on the national highway is that around half of the trucks are local. So those drivers have been given awareness. They know Ribhoi police will be enforcing the law strictly. So they have changed their behavior. They are now, you might have seen, driving on the left lane. But most of the drivers who come from outside states, they have that bad habit of occupying the fastest lane. So we can't spread awareness to them also, because one day they are here, next day they will be in Silchar, third day they will be in some other part of country. So it is the outside drivers who need to be made more aware, and their behavior need to change. The road is not unsafe. It is we who make the road unsafe by driving dangerously or driving under the influence. It's a beautiful highway. It's the lifeline of this part of the state, and you can see the number of vehicles, especially commercial vehicles. They are supplying everything, right from food grains to everything they are supplying here, because we don't have railways here. So this is the main lifeline. It's not that roads are unsafe. Roads are absolutely safe, though we need certain improvements in terms of installation of CCTV cameras on the national highway. We have already identified the black spots or hot spots which are accident prone. So we have taken it up with the NHI also to make rumble strips near those sharp curves and all. Especially Shang Bangla side, there is a spot where a lot of accidents happen. So we have pointed this out. But the national highway belongs to the NHAI. So they have to take a proactive role and start enforcing these things. Rumble strip, CCTV cameras, the speed limit signage boards everywhere, other boards, road safety traffic signs and symbols. No, so it's NHAI road. So NHAI will have to do it. Though we have taken it up with the help of our deputy commissioner, but still a lot needs to be done. If those things are done, the road will further become much safer than what it is right now.
Pidon kam nong shondur ne nong ringdur hakijing kawai jongpi ne kijing kendu sa kan mau jongpi phung shangi ngin penle mangi katkum kajing kwa jongpi kador gababit la kadai mansi ne menmin pranyo lai ariwei sau iwei. Pidon kam projector ban peni film ne pidon kam projector nak bentai ki awareness program jongpi phun shangi ni ai wai shapi Pranyo laiwei, kendai hendru iwei, arnyo lai.